Good evening, friends. Today one notice come from the Central Board of Secondary Education to the principal and head of the school affiliated to CBSE. Subject is schedule of activity related to direct admission in class 10th and 12th. That is various activity like subject change, LOC, registration and CWSN, that is children with special need, that is physical handicap candidate. So there are various activity. So first we discuss details. First activity regarding the direct admission cases, that is for the class 10th and class 12th. The last date is for the direct admission cases is 31st August 2023. So for the direct admission in class 10th and 12th, the school to give admission and to school comply all the cases of direct admission in tabular form, and that tabular form sent to the concerned regional office CBSE. And another case also for direct admission in class 10th and 12th, that is September and October, November and December. So up to December 2023 possible. Generally 31st August 2023 possible. But in exceptional cases, that is September, October, November and December cases also possible. But in which case? Cases of direct admission in class 10th and 12th and change of subject on account of direct admission after 15 July based only on the transfer of parent who is a government employee be sent to the concerned regional office so as to reach within the 7 days of admission. That must be condition the parent should be government employee. Then second activity related to the CWSN student, that is child with special need candidate, that is up to 31st August 2023. The school to make list and compile data of CWSN students in tabular form, complete request to send to the regional office. Then these are the various activity, and that school to submit the details of CWSN candidate in the LOC portal. Then third activity related to the change of subject. This activity is very much important for the students, because some students thought that they are already in class 12th and already in class 10th, so they want to change the subject, like subject mathematics, biology, they want change the subject. So that is up to last date month August, and that 31st August 2023. So parent or maybe candidate has to apply for the change of the subject to school to analyze the change of subject request as per the law, then school to comply all the subject changes cases in tabular form, that is separately for class 10th and separately for the class 12th, and sent to the regional office. And the fourth type of activity is related to LOC. The last date for the LOC, that is August 2023. So the submission of list of candidates for class 10th and 12th start from the 14 August 2023, and the school continue with submission of list of candidates for class 10th and 12th. That is, the school has submit the LOC, that is the list of candidates, to the regional office by the end of August 2023. And September cases also there possible, list of candidates for class 10th and 12th, submission of list of candidates for class 10th and 12th to continue up to 13 September 2023. That means start 14 August 2023 and last date 13 September 2023. That means 1 month time is given to the school for submission of LOC, that is the list of candidates. And submission of list of candidates for class 10th and 12th to start from 14 September 2023 up to 22 September 2023, that is up to Friday, but that should be in fine. Then activity related to attendance shortage cases, that is the month held on January 2024. To consider attendance put in by the students up to 1st January of the academic session for class 10th and 12th. School to compile all shortage of attendance cases in tabular form, that is separately for class 10th and 12th, and to send to the concerned regional office so as to reach by the 5th January of the academic session, that is 2023 and 24. So school to receive deficiency, if any, from the regional office latest by the 15th January of the academic session. So attendance is also play the crucial role for class 10th and 12th students. Then activity related to the candidate participating in sports or Olympiad. The students who are participating in sports or Olympiad, they should inform to their school and schedule for request of sports and Olympiad participant by 31st December 2023. The school to request Sports Authority of India, that is SAI, or Homi Baba Center for Science Education for their recommendation, and the school to send their recommendation along with recommendation of SAI and Homi Baba Center for Science of Education to the regional office, and that should be completed latest by 31st December 2023. And important notice, no request will be entertained after 31st December 2023. Then for participation in sports or Olympiad, school to receive approval from the regional office by 15th January 2024 for sports or Olympiad participant. And last activity is related to the Ward of Armed Forces that held in the month of January 2024. School to send all the such requests to the concerned regional office by the 31st January of the academic session regarding action for wards of armed force and paramilitary forces matried in the line of duty. So most of these service being online, so all these are considered working, and thus no exemption will be granted in any matter. So this is the important notice for the CBSE school and CBSE student for the class 10th and for the class 12th for the academic session 2023-24. So thank you to all. Please subscribe my channel and share it to all. Thank you.